Okay, he wants a rematch.
You want to
Let's play.
play?
Let's play. Let's play.
Fine, okay.
Let's play and rematch.
Let's play against amateur again. Huh?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, he took the queen's pawn opening this time. Okay.
Mr. Amateur. Oh, he is copying you. He also likes the queen's pawn opening.
Oh yeah, I saw that. Nice, nice.
Pawn to f5. Wow, bold move. This dude is very aggressive now. I think
Yeah, I guess
he's angry because he lost.
why lol.
Wow.
Look at that aggression, man. I can feel it. I can feel it.
He wants to destroy you, you know.
Uh huh. Feeling that aggression right. But then there is no point keeping it here. Oh, it will be a night trade anyways. Okay, so let's not play this game again. Let's just do something which he doesn't expect.
No, 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 bro. Your knight is under attack, right?
Yeah, yeah, I know.
You have to move it. I mean, you don't have any other move. Like, you have to move your knight. And after you move your
I
knight,
know. In such a way that wait. I'm just trying to move it in such a way that the next move he makes, right?
huh?
Uh, wait, I'll tell you one. He doesn't get a chance. You know, right? What I mean? His queen doesn't end up here. You get me?
Oh, you want to give that fork, is it, on c2 with the knight? But if he plays queen d1, like now, okay, he played that. So now he covers that square. So it's fine. No problem. I mean, your knight is under attack right now, so it's fine.
Fine, but thinking it, this is a good move to make. Okay, fine. Protecting my knight with the
Remember on person?
pawn.
He can take on person, but it's okay. You can recapture back with your knight and you won't lose the
Back with my
piece.
knight.
Yeah, you won't
Yeah,
lose
I
the
can
piece.
try.
I mean, now if he takes your knight, he wins a pawn. You see? If knight takes, pawn takes, queen takes. Okay, this dude
Yeah,
is
but
very aggressive.
he's losing it, bro. I don't
He's,
understand why is he doing this.
it's okay, man. He just wants to destroy you. But you have a good move here. Wait, calm down and think, okay? You have a good move.
What move was that?
First, think of. See, do you have any checks you can play?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Giving a check from my knight. You mean?
Yeah, I mean, you can take his knight, right? I mean, you can give a check like that also, right? And after you take his
But
knight,
he'll.
is his bishop defended? After you take his knight,
Oh yeah.
you win a piece. That's all.
His aggression got him nowhere.
Yeah, this is called tilting over losing. You know, many people do that, and I've also tilted before.
Man, the best move would be to move the queen back, probably.
Yeah. Here you can castle queen side also. There's no need to castle king side.
Yeah, I will castle the queen side. I usually castle queen side with Zach, if you
Oh,
haven't.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. It's been a long time since we've played together, right? So
yeah, the black, usually I castle it towards queen side.
this man is so aggressive. I mean, he's playing so fast. He just wants to destroy you. He'll probably push his pawn to g5 just to annoy you. See, pawn to g5. He'll attack your queen probably.
No, it's just creative. See, if he plays with a calm mind, no, he can do good. I feel that
Yeah, yeah.
just because he's getting
All emotional, no? Yeah.
all emotional. Okay, so now there's no threat to my queen. I can just keep it front. No, he'll just push it front, and I can take it to my pawn. Wait. Let the queen be there for some time. Play something like. Okay, I'm out of moves right now. Yeah, this could be a good move.
Fine. See, his king is very exposed. No, you should bust open the position. Like you should open it up because his king is really bad, right? Badly placed. It's not castled. Nothing is there.
Not cast. This game, all our pawns are actually facing each other, attacking each other.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. So much contact between pawns here.
Well, this leads to another opening, if you know what I mean. You see this, right?
Yeah. I see the b2 pawn. Okay, did not take. Fine.
Just take this. Queen on the 7th rank is actually, they say that it's dangerous.
Yeah, usually the saying is the rook on the 7th rank is very good, but queen also fine. Makes sense.
Well, if he is clever enough, he'll move the knight.
He moved
Okay,
it.
he did move it. But then again,
I mean, get your other pieces involved. Your queen is well placed. Your other pieces are not doing much.
you mean like my bishop here?
Yeah.
Or my knight, developing my knight?
Yeah, anything's fine, dude. Here.
How would I say this? Bishop or my knight? Okay, let's put bishop here.
He might take your g6 pawn. Then you can't. Okay, fine. No, it's fine. Everything's fine. I mean, now you're threatening to win his rook, right? You see. You see, right?
Yes.
Queen
Yeah.
takes rook, queen takes queen, and then bishop takes queen. You win a rook. If he doesn't see it. Okay, now he's defending because of his other rook also.
The fact again. How about I place this here?
Fine. Nothing wrong with that.
You know what I want to do, right?
You want to bring your bishop on c3. Oh.
Then he saw that. Okay, no problem. Let's clear out somewhere.
Wait. He's attacking your queen first. You should notice that.
Oh shit, man! I didn't notice that. Swear to God, I didn't notice that.
Happens. Don't worry. Happens.
Oh, this would be nice.
He'll start annoying you now. 100%. He'll play rook to b3. He'll attack your queen with the rook. 100%. I can bet $50,000.
But then still, I get the. Even if he does that, I still get a pawn. Right?
Yeah, you do. Yeah, but be a bit careful grabbing a lot of pieces. Fine, it's okay. Okay, he did not play that.
He wants to corner my queen. Let's corner his queen. What if I play my bishop here?
Good move. Really good move, actually. I mean, he's forced to play knight to b3. I can't see anything else. Knight to b3 is the only move. Or maybe he can play queen to c1 also, but you're up material, so you can exchange queens. See, you're 4 points up, right? So generally when you're up material, you should exchange queens. So if you place queen c1, you should not shy away from exchanging queens. Wow, he played that. That I do
Let's take
not.
the rook with the.
Yeah, that I do not understand.
No point exchanging right now pieces. So fine, I'll just take this piece,
Sure.
I have to develop my knight as well. Run low on time.
Relax.
Fine, I'll do this. That is actually.
I mean, you're up 6 points, right? So you should generally go for exchanging queens so that you can win easily. But fine, this also works. Play your game, bro. Play your game. Don't listen to me. Just don't blunder.
Mhm. On it. Actually, the thing is, his queen is stuck on that position. To be honest,
Huh. Uh,
what is he up to? He's just wasting his time.
I mean, he realizes his position is hopeless, so maybe he just wants to. He's contemplating that he's going through the process of grief. You know. Wow.
And again, take this point again.
I mean, his knight was hanging, but okay, fine, that also. See, his knight was hanging, right? But now he'll play knight to e6, probably. He'll bring his knight to e6. It's okay, fine. I mean, you're up material so much. Or maybe he's thinking about knight to c6 check. Wow, he might sacrifice his knight, maybe, who knows.
To give the queen opening.
Yeah, to.
No, the thing is, he might keep the queen here, and then he'll keep his knight here.
I mean, his knight is hanging right now, no, so he doesn't have time to do that. So he did this.
Okay, you were right about that piece. At least. Fine, let's threaten his bishop or no.
Yeah, I mean, he can take your bishop, and then you take his bishop, and then he'll take your rook. That's fine. That's fine. No issues. I mean, you lose an exchange, but you're so much up material that it doesn't matter. Whoa. First, you should recover the material. Yeah, he took your rook. Take his knight. See, you're a piece up now, and one pawn up. So it's really good for you. You have a really good move here.
I can move my queen here actually.
Yes, queen to h3. That was what I was thinking.
Wow. He's actually desperate.
Correct. Now I think he has to push his pawn.
Yeah, he will push his pawn so that the knight is threatened. But then I'll just.
I mean, you can just take his pawn if he pushes to f3, right? With your
If he
queen.
pushes.
With your queen.
Yeah, I can.
I mean, he's just desperate at this point, so.
No. The thing is, okay, I'm thinking rather than taking his piece, no, I'll keep my knight here if he does that.
That looks
That
really
way.
nice. Okay, he did not see it. So you have a checkmate in 2 moves. Let's see if you can find it. Yeah, first move. No.
Oh
His
no.
queen is defending. Checkmate. Your rook is covering the other side.
So fine. I guess this is how I play chess. You did see me, right, playing?
Yeah, I did. I mean, yeah, you played pretty well. I mean, your rating is. Oh, he wants a rematch again. Let's
Oh
not.
my god, no, bro, no,
Yeah.
no, no, I'm done playing rematch. What? I'll play with him only whole day.
Exactly. He wants to beat you once, just once.
Yeah, sure. So what do you have to say about my game right now? Like, how is it? Mediocre, beginner, or between both of them?
Definitely not beginner level. Little above beginner. And Shahbaz has uploaded pretty nice videos on Rubik's cubes, and then on social issues, and then on skits. Shahbaz has some really nice skits, so check out his channel on in the description. I'll put his link, so just check it out.
Thanks, man.
Yeah,
Thanks. And yeah, uh, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to his channel as well. His name is Karandeep Singh
yes.
Kannu. Right?
Thanks.